Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. This is a quick OnePlus Nord Buds 3 and the Realme Buds T300 difference. So first up, the Nord Bud 3, they have a 440 mAh, while the Realme Bud it has a 460 mAh, and for some reason, even though they have shorter mAh, they have longer hour. I think it could be because of the features, but yeah, they provide around 3 more hours than this one. And then both of them are wireless. The pairing is within 10 meters, almost same pricing with just 100 rupees difference. Now if we look at the differences only, in general these are not much important. Now in a performance, the Notebud 3 it has a 12.4 millimeter driver, and the T300 10 it's not really said. And then as you can see, this one is very lighter than the T310, 50 grams, almost 40 grams difference. And then as you can see, noise cancellation, so it's slightly better on the OnePlus Nord Bud 3. Connectivity, Realme Buds take this one because they have the 5.4, which is the newer version, and A2DP. And then the battery, again as said, that the OnePlus Nord Buds 3 wins this one. So this is just a very quick comparison. Both of them do serve similar, but if you want to know which one is better for you, I would say go check their individual reviews and see which one you like. But other than that, they do seem pretty much similar. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.